Welcome to the Daily Story channel. If you enjoy the story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom, there lived a wise and brave ruler named Queen Astrid. One day, she learned of a looming danger threatening her land. To protect her people, she needed a legendary artifact known as the Dragon's Heart, hidden deep in the Enchanted Realm of Dragons. This magical jewel had the power to shield the kingdom from all harm. Determined to find the Dragon's Heart, Queen Astrid set off on a grand adventure, accompanied by her loyal companion, a small, enchanted owl named Luna. The journey was filled with wonder and excitement as they ventured into the mystical realm. Queen Astrid entered the enchanted forest, where she met a friendly fairy named Elara. Elara guided her through the magical woods, sharing tales of the dragons and the powerful artifact. As they walked, the forest seemed to come alive with sparkling lights and soft melodies. Elara led them to a shimmering river, where the magical boat of dreams awaited. The boat could only be summoned by someone pure of heart. Queen Astrid, with her noble intent, called upon the boat, and it appeared, crafted from moonlight and stars. Sailing across the river, they reached the Valley of Echoes, where the voices of ancient dragons could be heard. The valley was filled with the echoes of dragon roars and whispers, guiding Queen Astrid towards the Cave of Secrets, the resting place of the Dragon's Heart. Inside the Cave of Secrets, Queen Astrid found the Dragon's Heart, a radiant jewel, glowing with a warm golden light. But to retrieve it, she had to prove her courage and kindness. A mighty dragon, the guardian of the cave, appeared and challenged her. Queen Astrid bravely spoke of her love for her people and her desire to protect them. Impressed by her sincerity, the dragon gifted Queen Astrid the Dragon's Heart. The jewel's power surrounded her, and she felt a warm, protective energy. Queen Astrid thanked the dragon and promised to use the artifact wisely. With the dragon's heart, Queen Astrid returned to her kingdom. The artifact's magic created a protective shield around the land, ensuring peace and safety for all. The people celebrated her bravery and wisdom, and Queen Astrid ruled with kindness and justice, always remembering the lessons from the Enchanted Realm of Dragons. And so, the kingdom thrived, guarded by the love and courage of its wise queen.